during our today's tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to paint a cool gingerbread man, gingerbread cookies in a watercolor style. I'm gonna use my new watercolor brush set for Procreate, this one, the Pro set, and I also have two different texture papers. First is Arches texture paper, this one, and second is smooth texture paper, pretty lovely one. So I think we can start, and first of all, let's go and grab BooPerfect edger and smudger. Also you can use it as a smudger as well. I like this brush, it's pretty lovely. You need to be on a layer, new layer that is underneath our texture paper. And as you see, it's so in a watercolor style. As blender, I'm also using BooPerfect edger, because as you might see, it can give you those splashy edges, and I like it. It's what I wanted. Well, good. And now I'm gonna go and grab Boo runny edges. I wanna add some shades. Well, now I'm gonna go and grab blue color, and I want to add some shades to these parts. Create a new layer, and I will go and grab Boo Thin Ink watercolor brush. Okay, he looks pretty lovely. So let's just merge together two layers, and my suggestion, go to the freehand, feather 10%, use saturation brightness. You can increase the brightness and increase saturation. He is very lovely. BooPerfect edger and smudger. Something between blue and white color. And I will change the brush to watercolor color. This brush is very soft. Okay. So, and the last part is buttons. And those parts I want to make them probably yellow or orange. Well, my last step is I will create a new layer and I will go to dark blue color, and I'm gonna go and grab blue salted watercolor brush. This brush is amazing for adding those, you see, watercolor splashes, salted effect. Is okay, great. If you like, you can duplicate it and it will create those sharpie effects, sharpie edges like this. And I will go and grab blue theme ink watercolor brush, and I want to add more shades. Now let's turn off this part. Very, very lovely. Perfect colors. Watercolor bubbles. Well, I think it's pretty lovely. That's our class about cookies, so if you like it, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other next time. Bye bye!